How to upload auto loop videos on your Behance project on your PC or on your laptop. For this is the Behance official website, and here I'm logging into my account using my email address and my password. Now, after doing this thing, it will be logged into your account, and then what you have to do is simply check the home page of Behance in front of you, and then from this menu you have to select the total reason why you should select that and which product you want to copy. Now, I will simply click on any of the available projects here on my Behance homepage. Let me just click on my account section and then select the file I want to upload or I want to create. I will simply click on add item option to do the setting. Now to upload automatic videos here on your account or uploads, how you can simply do it, select the file you want to upload in loop, and then you should select it to round as per the loop. Like this is the project, and let me just open it. Here you can add photo or video, here you can add text, here you can add images, but we have to upload the video, and then we will select the loop option available whenever we will click on the video setting. This is the video. Thank you.